Welcome to today's I'm pissed off video. And the reason I'm pissed off is I have to do oven repair part 2. 1 year, 1 month ago, I did oven repair part 1. And you know what? I'm going to be retired. I'm going to be on fixed income. This Thermador oven, the lower heating element, took a crap. So Thermador was bought by Bosch. The Bosch element was $100. We went to Edgewater Parts and we got the element for $58. So I thought I had a great savings, but guess what? 1 month after the 1 year warranty, the heating element crapped out. We went to Amazon to get some help and there's no support provided for this product. So this thing is a piece of junk. 1 month after the 1 year warranty, this heating element quit. We have ourselves a blowout right here, and we have ourselves a blowout right here. Thought I was saving myself 50 bucks, but guess what? No, didn't happen that way. So now, I actually went to Bosch and bought the OEM replacement. OEM replacement for that oven, $100. And you know what? I've worked on cars all my life, and I always choose to get the OEM replacement part because they are usually the best parts. I don't know why I chose to go the stupid way this time. But now we've got the OEM Bosch replacement part for this oven. And this has a 1 year warranty also. So we're going to put it in, give it a shot, and see how it goes. Do yourself a favor. Instead of trying to save yourself some money because you can get a good discount by buying an off-brand replacement part, I got burned on this one and I won't do it again. The OEM heating element is piping hot, back in service. You know, the original element in this oven from 1997 has lasted 25 years. I cheaped out by going for the cheapo element replacement when I should have just bit the bullet and bought the OEM, because if this element lasts 25 years, I'm going to be dead anyway. So it doesn't matter. Got that new heating element going to burn all the stink off it before we cook some food on it. But if this OEM lasts as long as the original OEM does, I'm going to kick myself in the ass for buying that cheap ass piece of shit. If you can afford OEM, go for it. If you can't, roll the dice. It's a crapshoot. Buy whatever the compatible replacement is and see where it gets you. This element that should have cost me $100 is now $150 because I bought that turd. Well, cheers with an icy cold Cape Cod. Little vodka cranberry. Don't have any lime, but I got a little slice of lemon in there just for the tweak of the flavor. Boy, is that tasty. Well, have a good weekend. Thanks for watching. Take care. See ya. Ooh, that's hot back there. Oof.